Hi guys, and welcome to our Learning Basic Bisaya channel. My name is Gary.
My name is Reancy.
And in today's lesson, we're going to learn the days of the week. So let's get started right now. So let's start with Monday.
Lunes.
Lunes. Next we have Tuesday.
Martes.
Martes. Moving on to Wednesday.
Miércoles.
Miércoles. Thursday.
Jueves.
Jueves. Next we have Friday.
Viernes.
Viernes. Saturday.
Sábado.
Sábado. And then lastly we have Sunday, which is
Domingo.
Domingo. We're now going to teach you some basic time-related Bisaya phrases. So let's start with today.
Karong adlaw.
Karong adlaw. Yesterday is
Kagahapon or gahapon.
gahapon. We'll move on now to tomorrow.
Ugma.
Tomorrow is ugma. So let's go a little bit further behind now and go to last week.
Niaging simana.
Niaging simana. Niaging is last and simana is week. So we'll move on to the next one, which is last month.
Niaging buwan or niaging bulan.
Niaging bulan or niaging buwan. Niaging is last and buwan or bulan is month. And last one for this series is last year, which
Niaging tuig.
is niaging tuig. Tuig is the year. So for future phrases we want to use next week, which is
Sunod simana.
sunod simana. Sunod is the word for next. Simana is the word for week. Next month.
Sunod buwan or sunod bulan.
Sunod buwan or sunod bulan. Sunod next. Bulan or buwan month. And next year is
Sunod tuig.
sunod tuig. Sunod next tuig year. And the last one we've got for you is the word for later, which is
Unya.
unya.
Thank you very much for watching our video.
We hope you enjoyed it. If you have any suggestions, please put them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, as we'll be releasing more future content. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.